Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you what to do if the fridge parts of your fridge freezer isn't cooling as it should. I'll be demonstrating this on a Samsung American style fridge freezer, but these checks should help you resolve the issue no matter what the make or model of yours is. First, you'll need to check that your fridge door is closing correctly. If something's obstructing the door, then heat will escape from the fridge, which means it won't be able to reach its desired temperature. To find out what's causing the problem, there are a few things we need to check. Firstly, check the contents of the fridge. Make sure that your fridge is not overcrowded and that items aren't sticking out of the front, causing them to knock against the door as you try and close it. If this is the case, you'll need to give your fridge a clear out and get rid of any unwanted items or items that are past their sell-by dates. If this isn't possible, you'll just need to rearrange the fridge so that nothing's knocking against the door. Overstocking your fridge can also block the air vents, which can lead to poor circulation, which can affect the temperature of your fridge. So it's recommended that you always keep your fridge half to 3/4 full. Next, you're going to want to check the shelving on the fridge door. The shelves are meant to be in a specific place, so if they've been removed, possibly for cleaning, and put back in the wrong place, this will prevent the door from closing. So as you can see here, these shelves are in the wrong place, so the door won't shut properly. So now if I simply swap these shelves around, that should allow the door to close properly again. As well as the shelves, the lower drawers in your fridge's cabinet need to be in a specific location too. So check these are in the correct place and that your fridge door is closing properly. Whilst you're checking the bottom drawers, it's a good idea to check if something's stuck behind them, as this could be stopping the door from closing too. Finally, you're going to want to check that your doors are level. If they're not level, they won't be able to shut due to the height difference, and you can change the level of the doors by adjusting the feet, which you can access at the side at the bottom of your machine. I'm just going to insert a flat screwdriver into the slot of one of the feet. You can turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and this increases or decreases the height of the doors, which will level the fridge accordingly. The process can be repeated on both feet if the fridge still isn't level. Another thing that can affect the temperature of your fridge is the room it's in. If the room is too hot or too cold, then your fridge will struggle to get to the correct temperature. So as a rule, your fridge should be kept in a room where it's between 10 and 43 degrees Celsius. Next, you're going to need to check that the back of your fridge freezer isn't too close to the wall. There should be at least a 50mm gap, as this will allow air to circulate, preventing your fridge freezer from overheating. Also at the back of your fridge freezer are the condenser coils. And these are normally hidden behind a plinth, which as you can see we've already removed, and you can remove yours by simply unscrewing the screws. If these condenser coils get dirty, this will mean that your appliance will struggle to release heat, so it will struggle to stay cool and use more energy. To clean these, simply use a handheld vacuum or a brush to remove any dirt. If you've checked all of these things and you're still having an issue with your fridge staying cool, there could be a problem with your defrost sensor. If there is an issue, your fridge should alert you and you will get an error code pop up here, which will either be 1E, 5E or SE, but this can differ from brand to brand and model to model. If this happens, not to worry, we can help you fix it. Check out our video up here on how to replace the defrost sensor on Samsung models if you need it. The final problem that could be causing your fridge not to cool would be an issue with the defrost heater. So check out our video below where we'll help you resolve this. Before you go though, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular videos on appliance maintenance, repairs and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching!